I've been cutting Danny's hair since we were married, and we started doing that to save money and to save time. And we have saved a lot of money. His hair grows so fast, and so I have to cut it like every 2 weeks. So we've saved like thousands of dollars, honestly. We found that there's so many other benefits to it than just like saving money and saving time.
Over the last few years, it's been really crazy. We've just gone through different phases. Everybody goes through these, getting married, having kids, working jobs, going to school, and at certain times, we've just been so busy. It's almost been like ships passing in the night. So in the times when we've been so busy working 60, 70, 80-hour weeks, or going to school and spending all our time studying, or running around chasing our kids, it's been such a blessing to have the time just set aside where we have to do this at least every 2 weeks, and it's just time for us, time to be together.
My love language is quality time, and his words of affirmation, which by cutting hair at home, it hits both of those things for us. So I'm feel loved when I get to just sit him down, we have no distractions, and I just get to have that quality time with him, but he also feels loved when we just get to talk and I get to tell him things I love about him or different things like that.